everyone, Jen here, and we're back with part 5 of our Industry Standards series. Now today, we're going to be going over industry standard specs for party and adventure board games. For this video, we'll go through the specs and components of a party game from our own print library, Finish It. The goal of this game is to win cards by being the best or worst at completing short phrases. Many party games involve a drawing or writing component. Finish It opted for dry erase tiles on gloss laminated 1.5mm paperboard rather than pencil and paper for endless replayability. This game has 3 decks of poker-sized blue core cards for the sentences and points. It's also important that your party game can be quickly and easily learned by new players. The instructions can often fit onto a single sheet. These are printed on gloss 10-point cover stock. Finally, to package all of this together, you'll want to have a nice solid box that holds up to wear and tear and keeps all the components organized. Finish It's box is made of the thicker 2mm paperboard with a cardstock organizing insert. If your game has a story that focuses on a quest, whether it be an exploration or to save a princess in a tall tower, you likely are creating an adventure game. Adventure games often have large grid game boards that provide a bird's eye view of the world your characters are living in and a variety of resource pieces. Forbidden Desert is a great example of this genre. We'll break down its components for you here. Rather than a traditional game board, this game uses square 2mm thick paperboard tiles for the playing space. These 1.5mm grayboard tokens, die cut into an X shape, are used as an additional game board mechanic. There's also a deck of poker-sized coreless cards representing storms, equipment, and adventurers. To track storm mechanics, there's a 1mm grayboard sandstorm meter with a custom plastic stand and meter clips. The players themselves are represented by wooden pawns. The plastic flying machine parts include a solar crystal, a propeller, an engine, and a navigation deck, plus 1 flying machine model. Adventure games tend to have a more extensive rule set. The saddle-stitched instruction booklet for this game is printed on gloss 70-pound paper. Finally, all of these components are housed in a custom metal tin with a vacuum-formed organizer. We've printed tons of games with a variety of components, so you have the complete freedom to make something entirely your own. That being said, if you want a good feel of the materials we offer, a sample kit is the way to go. Our board game sample kit includes common board game components, including cards. We'd also encourage you to check out our budgetary board game calculator to ensure we'll be a good fit for your budget. Links to all of these things can be found in the description below. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help. Bye.